Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to install PyCharm in your computer. So first of all, you have to type PyCharm in your Google. Then you will have this link. So after going to this link, you will see the official site of PyCharm. Then just press the download button. Then you will show two options for Windows. One is professional and another is community. And we will use the community, and this is free. So press the download and save. It will download here. Let me say another thing. Before downloading the PyCharm, you have to download the Python in your PC. And I have made another video how to download Python. So you can check that video. I will give the link in the description and also in the I button. So our download is complete finally. So now let's open it. You will have a pop-up and you have to just press yes. Okay. Now just click next. Then if you want to change the location, you can change it by browse. I will keep it in my local. Next, then you just need to right mark in PyCharm Community Edition and also add open folder. Nothing else. And then next and install. And it will install. Okay. Now just click finish. Our installation is done. Now click PyCharm Community Edition. It will open it. Do not import settings. Click here and then OK. All right. Now you see this interface, and now you just have to click new project. Then here they give you a by default a name Python project. If you want, you can change it. So I will name it computer. Then whatever it is, keep it there, and then just click on create. So you can just click here, don't show tips, and then close. Now press Ctrl A and select all the text, then backspace. Now let's write some code. Print Bangladesh. Now just click here, run, and you can see Bangladesh here output. It means our PyCharm is running completely well. And if you want to create another file, you just have to computer graphics select here, then right button, new, then go to Python file, and then select uh, test, and you don't have to write .py. It will automatically generate the extension. Then just press enter. Okay. Now you can see the test. Just copy this print and then here Control V. But if I run, it will not show the same output. Okay. Let me change Bangladesh to Chittagong. If I press the run button, you will see the Bangladesh again. You will not see the Chittagong because you have to change from here. You will There is a drop down menu. Just click here, main, then edit configuration. Go to script paths here. Then you will see main file selected. You have to select test file. Then OK. Then apply and OK. Now you can see the test. Then you just click run and you will see Chittagong. So I think this video is very helpful for you. If you like this video, just give a thumbs up. And if you face any problem regarding this video, just comment below. Thank you for watching.